Hello everyone, David here at Showdown Auto. Gonna do a quick little walk around. We just got this truck today. It's a 1994 F-150 XLT Ford Lightning. Very few of these trucks were built in white. I believe it was under 1,500. 71,000 actual miles. Really a nice truck. Appears to be all original. Runs and drives like brand new. All the power options work. Factory AC blows ice cold. Factory 17-inch aluminum wheels. Really a nice truck. Beautiful paint. Really nice body on it. It's got the optional 2 bumper in the back. It's got a tonneau cover that someone added to it, and they tinted the windows over the years, but other than that, it's all stock. Really a nice, fun truck. It is an XLT, so it has the power windows, your power locks. It's got power lumbar, power seats. The stereo was changed over the years. It's got AM/FM CD player was added to it. But all stock exhaust system. The factory spare tire has never been out of it. Aluminum wheels look really nice. Got Goodyear Eagles on it, GT2 tires. They're all in nice shape. Does have the rear slider window in it. Really just a nice truck. It's been hard to find these lately. I've been on a hunt for one of these, and as soon as I saw it, we had to buy it. Beautiful interior in it. Dash all looks nice. Seat covers still look like new. Really a nice truck. And it drives just like brand new. All the factory stickers are still in the door jambs. Shows nice. It was factory, it was undercoated back in the day, so
106.7 the day.
as you can see the stickers there, they're all there.
Throw it out to you again real quick. 13-year-old Texas girl.
The truck's not perfect. It's got 71,000 miles, but for the miles the truck shows beautiful. You'd never know by looking at it. Bumpers all look nice. It does have a bed liner in it. Top the hood here. It's all stock, 351. Looks like they might put a Canon air filter in it. The sticker there. Newer battery. All the fit and finish is right there. Truck shows really nice. Someone's going to buy a nice truck here. I seen 2 little tiny little door dings in. That was it. And you really got to hunt them down. Bucket seat, factory console, all that.
This traffic report is brought to you by Oakwood Healthcare.
Really shows nice. If you have any questions at all, just give us a call. Again, I'm Dave from Showdown. Keep an eye on our website. We've got over 100 muscle and classics online at all times. So again, I'm Dave from Showdown. Number's 586-791-0778. Just keep an eye on our website, showdownauto.com. Thank you.